we're like in a friend group, but like so and that's where that friend group spawned. So basically
and qualify for subsidies. Register today at apprenticesearch.com. This
God, wow, it gives you a lot.
is it?
Y'all want some? Now save some for your brother, Billy. You really don't want any. It's okay, Billy. Hey, you want some? Alright, Billy, it's all yours.
Look at it. It just looks so
Give me more money.
You don't need more, Amy.
Hey, Billy, I got another one.
just one, he's gonna bite your hand.
Give me more money.
No.
Build the cheese prince. Amy requires another coin.
Why don't you go feed the other animals, Amy?
Yeah,
Why don't we go walk and feed the other animals?
look at him. He just looks so mad.
Which one? The dude with the fuzz on his
His
head?
name is Billy.
Fuzz boy.
He's so cute.
He runs away.
What if that wasn't his favorite food? He's sad because we gave him the crab food.
There ain't no more. There ain't no more, Billy. Or is there more?
No. Oh,
Oh,
they're all coming.
oh, Billy.
Do you want to feed the deer or the sheep?
Don't feed the deer.
I can't, Billy. I can't let you go.
Ew.
Alright, you got some too.
He's gonna.
Alright, this is for the deer.
So bad. How much corn do you think he's
She doesn't have any left. She fed it all to the sheep.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all want some? Okay, that's enough. You all want some? Alright, that's enough.
That's it.
Why does he like
Look at her
sniffing up
run.
on me? Put your hand near his face so he's only occupied towards you.
Broski.
He flinched and scared me. I don't want to scare him. Ew, he's licking his ass. You get hairballs, man. Sir.
Oh, he put his tail
Eating
in
your
his
whole
mouth.
tail, sir.
Hey y'all, I got corn.
Womp. Womp.
I'm not a runner or a track star. I like them big.
I like my funky.
Yeah, you gotta save some for your brother, Billy. Hey, you want some? Never mind, you don't gotta save any for your brother, Billy. Now you gonna let me pet you.
Why didn't you just go to
Why is he? He's like seizing.
Amy?
I wanna touch your wet nose.
Ew, don't touch his wet nose. Don't rub it. I need to see them.
Oh, you're such a cutie pie.
Look at them.
It's kind of giving giraffe.
Yeah.
Such a cute.
Morgan.
No, I look bad.
18. You can't see the stars on camera.
Blinded. I'm being blinded. Watch my cool trick. Watch my cool trick.
Oh God. Why are you breathing like an iPad kid?
Oh, there's my dad again. Oh, let her.
Okay.
do not wish to eat it.
Jake, does someone on this one? It was just on the table. What is it? There's no way.
Put that away, please. Never mind.
Oh, that one's cool.
They're doing it. They're doing it. They're doing the white people thing, Ella.
Wait, let me go for that. It'll be really loud. This is the grand finale. Sit down.
Abby, sit down. The party ends the second the sparkler goes out. Go hard.
Are you kidding me?
Amy.
Don't tell me what, just don't let me do it.
Based on where the truck stops. Go, go, go. That is so cool. Control your power. Escape success. Button. Push the car until it reaches big win target. Win ticket based on.
My name is Cha-Cha. Cha-Cha-Cha-Cha. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Cha-cha. Boom, boom. Okay. One more, guys.
Okay, shoes on. Oh, you splashed that into my mouth.
In your mouth?
Okay. Foot juices. Put your shoes on. No, you're done. You're done. No. No, shoes on your feet. Let's go. Towel. Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys.
Come on. Amy, you have a towel on. Let's go.
That's so cute.
But I guess it would make sense that it would.
Family road trip.
Oh, sorry, Abby.
Yes, queen. Your mouth looks so scary. Oh, look at the parrot. parrot's lit.
Okay, let's go to the draft. Wait, that's kind of cute. That's kind of funny. Okay. Oh yeah.
Watch this epic shot.
Okay. But girl.
Friends don't lie. You're like Papa.
I was trying to film the pterodactyl.
I hate this photo with my teeth. Is this another vlog?
Yeah. Come here. Okay.
I need a cane to walk.
Amy's is the best. No, just let me look down on you. Yeah. Did it take your ball? It didn't even go. Oh, Ella, you're trash. Whoa! Yeah, it smokes too. Whoa! Yeah, Amy, put your balls in the hole.
I got it.
Amy, why are you sad? It's your birthday. Abigail, why are you so sad?
Wait, Abby, let's see.
Why are you so
Sheesh.
Say hi. Abigail, did the Descendants movie really make you that sad?
It wasn't even the movie, it was the 5-minute emoji movie.
Abigail, why are you so sad?
Because your socks are on. Don't cheat. Huh? That way she's not gonna listen to you. Oh, Abby! You're good this time. I thought it was gonna go down. Oh, she just whacked herself in the head with it. Over here. Leave it. I think she needs a second. She's like. Wait. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Eat it. Eat it.
Like.
Oh my god.
Why were you sitting on that side? I thought you were on the other side. How did it fall so nicely, too?
I know I leaned it up.
Oh, okay. Also, how did you not
I
fall?
kind of catched it. Abby, you did not fall with it.
Like, how did you not fall with
You
it?
did, didn't you? Did it hurt? How did you fall? You're actually just asking.
Because I was like kind of here and I leaned.
Why were you
back
sitting
a
on
bit.
it?
It was.
No, like, why are you sitting
Should
on
make a TikTok.
it?
And like I leaned back a bit.
used to be. Wait, see, oh, it actually doesn't look that bad. The screws are like, actually, no, the screw, look.
Yeah, I know.
This screw was up straight and now it's cocked sideways. I don't know how they're gonna get that out of there. This is the bar top.
Bar top is fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It was up there though. Look.
Where'd you fall? On your butt or on your feet? Like straight back?
Not really.
Wait, were you facing that way or facing this way? So you fall backwards or did you fall forwards?
I didn't really fall.
Well, then how? What do you mean fall?
Oh.
Don't mind me, just trying to.
Wait, Eloise.
There's children trying to play in here, Abigail. Get out.
Yeah, I know, I can't get it out.
Tappity tappity.
You're gonna put that anywhere. Not my side profile.
Abigail. Ella's currently taking pictures of my sunflowers that I bought. They are. I love them. Here.
What is it?
Open it.
Oh, what I say? I can see them. I can see them. Hey guys, we got Jack Skeleton. He's so cute. I'm gonna put him on my dresser. And then we got Sally. Is she a skeleton? I don't know. She's a skeleton. Anyways. Oh my god, and is this a small business?
It is a small business. It's
When she has an Instagram, I'll make sure to go support my small businesses, guys. Thank you so much. These are just so cute. Totally worth the money.
I thought you would think they were cute.
I'm putting these in my
I saw them and I was like, oh, Amy would like those, so I had to get them for
I
you.
have little stamps on them.
Yeah.
Butters and not have breakfast. Looks like one turn. 4,000, I think it's 4,000 kilometers on it. Passed away. So they put it up at an auction. 16 grand. The thing's probably 35.
I don't think.